Please subscribe and click the hype and like button to get more content like this. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Everything demonstrated in this video is strictly for educational purposes. To show you how to protect yourself, all demonstrations are performed in a controlled lab environment on our own testing devices. We never target real users, and using this knowledge to gain unauthorized access to actual people or systems is strictly illegal and unethical. In this demonstration, we will explore how to perform denial of service, also known as DoS attack, using Burp Suite. To begin, click on the application menu on the top left, and then type Burp into the search bar. From the search results, locate Burp Suite and click to launch the application. A quick reminder, a DoS attack involves a single client sending a large number of requests to a target server in an attempt to overload it and disrupt its normal operation. Once Burp Suite opens, click Next, then click Start Burp to initialize the tool. It may take a few moments to load, depending on your system's performance. Once it loads, you will see the main Burp Suite interface. Now let's go to the Firefox browser, open a new tab, and close all other tabs. Before capturing a request, we need to configure the proxy settings in Firefox. To do this, click on the menu icon in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the search bar and type Proxy. Then click on Settings. Choose Manual Proxy Configuration. Then click OK to apply the settings. Now open a new tab. Type www.google.com into the address bar, but do not press Enter yet. Switch back to Burp Suite. In the top menu, click on the Proxy tab. Then, within the Intercept subtab, ensure that Intercept is on. Now return to Firefox and press Enter to load google.com. Burp Suite will now intercept and display the captured HTTP request under the Intercept tab. In the HTTP request, you will notice get/HTTP/1.1. Modify this to get/1HTTP/1.1. Now right-click on the intercepted request and select Send to Intruder. Next, turn off the intercept and click on the Intruder tab at the top of the interface beside the Proxy tab. You'll see the captured HTTP request details here. Select one, then click Add Section to mark it as a payload position. This will open payload options on the right. Now we need to define payload values. So, navigate to Payload Options and choose Payload Type to Numbers. Under Payload Configuration, set from as 1 to as 100, and step as 1. Once your configuration is complete, click on Start Attack. In the Burp Suite Intruder pop-up, select OK to proceed. Please note, since this is the Community Edition of Burp Suite, the attack will run slower. The Professional Edition executes these attacks much faster. Now, observe the results. You will see a list of requests being sent, such as get/1, get/2, get/3, get/4, and so on. You're currently viewing the request headers. The highlighted section is the parameter being changed in each request. What's happening here is Burp Suite is modifying just one parameter and sending multiple requests within the same browser session. As you can see, the HTTP status code remains unchanged because Google.com uses a highly resilient and powerful infrastructure. However, if you were targeting a less robust domain, it might crash or become unresponsive under this flood of repeated requests from a single client. Other tools that can be used for DoS attacks include Hydra, John the Ripper, and several others. And that concludes the demonstration on how to perform a DoS attack using the Intruder module in Burp Suite.